How to turn on or turn off Encrypt Outgoing emails for Outlook or Hotmail in Samsung Email on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the email app. Next, tap on the menu button. Then tap on Settings. In the email settings, go down and tap on your Hotmail or Outlook account. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Security Options. In here, tap on Encrypt Outgoing Emails. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. In here, when you turn it on, all your emails, outgoing emails, will be encrypted, and you can also choose the encryption algorithm. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.